Good day, viewers. Today I'll be showing you how to make pap with cornstarch, crispy potato. With excess. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe and then click on the notification bell so that you'll be reminded when I upload a new video. Thank you. So right now, go ahead to cut our Irish potato. Cut it slimmer. The slimmer, the crunchier becomes. So I'll go ahead. So right now I am done cutting. I'm done cutting the potatoes. We go ahead and put water. You can see I cover the potato with water. So right now we'll leave it for 30 minutes. Inside the water, we'll leave it for 30 minutes so that the starch will go away. So after 30 minutes, we'll go ahead to strain the water out from the potato. So this time around, you go ahead and put hot water on the fire, add salt to it, then pour in the potato. Allow it to boil. So right now it's boiling. We'll go ahead to strain it. Remove the water. So right now, we'll leave it on the sieve for the water to dry up. If you still have a tray, you can still spread it on your tray and allow the water to dry up. So right now, the potato is dried. We'll go ahead to add our cornstarch. Okay. And we'll go ahead to turn it and use your hand to mix. Make sure it's mixed well. And still no single water. So right now we'll go ahead to add it on a hot oil. So I'm actually doing egg sauce for this. Sorry for the audio while preparing it. As we are waiting for the egg sauce, let's check our chips. Have you seen how crunchy it's sounding? So crunchy. I think it's okay right now. So we off. So right now we'll go ahead and add salt for taste. Add stuff. And then stir. So the next thing we're adding is egg. So we're about to make the cornstarch. This is the product I'm using for it. The cornstarch pap. So you go ahead to add your cornstarch into the bowl. Next we add water. You add bit by bit so that the mixture will not be watery. Okay. And then mix. It's actually too sticky, but I have to do it gradually to get the desired thickness that is needed for the pap. Make sure the whole particles are well dissolved. So you can take a look at my spoon. It's very smooth. Make sure the plate is smooth. There is no particle remaining. As you see, this is the down of my plate. There is no particle, no starch sticking on the bowl. The water is actually boiled. So what you do right now, you don't just pour it immediately. You bring it down, allow it to cool like 5 seconds. Allow the vapor to go out, because pouring it immediately might make the pap to get so much lumps. So right now we are pouring. Gradually. If you don't like it too thick, you can add more water. But I like my pap thick because adding milk to it might make it more watery. If you are using powdered milk, you can add more water. But if you are using liquid milk. You don't add much water so that the thickness will be normal. As you see, there is no lump, no single lump, very smooth. So right now the pap is ready. We'll go ahead to add our sugar for taste. You can as well use honey. Right now I'm using sugar or any other sweetener you desire. Then we'll go ahead to add our milk. I'm using liquid milk. That was why I made the pap more thick. It's actually white corn. If it's yellow corn, the pap will be very yellow. It's white corn, that is why it's white. So yummy. Very smooth, no lump. As you can see, food is ready. Thanks for watching.